channel, and today I'm gonna share with you some of the things I've bought in my Western Australia trip. So they are mainly from Target and K Mart because I do not have a lot of time to shop except for a quick stopover in Albany where there's this mall at the town. So let's get started. Starting from Target is actually this sweatshirt that I'm currently wearing. It is from the brand Lily Loves. And then the price of this shirt is $30, but it's on sale for $7, so I've decided to buy it. And there's colors such as navy blue, light pink, and this one, so I decided to go with this one because it is very bright and I think it suits me a lot. Next up is this grey color coat from the Target collection. It is $49, and the reason why I got it is because such coat in Singapore usually costs around 100 plus, and this one has a very good material. It has lining on the inside and then pocket at the side too, so I think it's a really good steal. So the last item I got from Target is this black color boots. The reason why I got because my previous black boots that I bought in Taiwan spoiled, so this one is a good replacement. It has the same material to it, then it's also very soft. The heel is not very high, so it's very comfortable to walk, and it is for $30, so I think it's really good. So that's all for Target, and moving on to Kmart. The first one I'm gonna show you is this felt memo board, and this is really large. It's only $8, and actually I contemplated if I should get this because as you can see it's quite large and my room do not have much space to hang it up, but I still decided to get it because I think I can put it up in my hostel because I'm starting university in a few months time, and I think this one will look great in my study table or on the wall. I don't know, if you want me to do a hostel DIY video, you can leave down in the comment box below and I will try to do it. So let me open this up and see how does it look. I have not opened it yet. Oh, okay, it's quite heavy. So there is a larger alphabet and a smaller alphabet. Okay, let me try to do some words.
2 hours later.
Ta-da! I decided to do this Angelyn haul because I think it'll be good for my thumbnail later, and it's so cute. So next up is another knitted shirt. This one is slightly longer than the one I'm wearing now. It can pull off as like a shirt dress, and then the reason why there's so many knitted stuff now in Australia because June is actually their winter, so a lot of winter clothes, and I'm very happy because winter clothes in Singapore is generally more expensive than overseas, so it's a good time to buy and then keep it for my future trips. Moving on to accessories, I got 2 earrings. One for my friend is this long tassel one and mine is this circle one. So both of them is $4 each, and as you can see I love pink, so that's one of the main reasons why I got both of them. I also got this winter hat from Kmart. This one I think is $9, and then this another knitted one is for $7, and it's really nice. This one has a I'm not very sure what this material is called, but it's very smooth and very different from other knitted hat that I've got. And this one it's very cute, very pink. It's in this dusty pink color, so I really like it, and then that's why I got both of them. So I also got some bath bomb, and both of them are from OXX. This one is in the color Stardust and this one is Gold Fizz, and they are very cool because I rarely see bath bomb with such a shiny color, so I got it. I think it's very great for pictures, it's very great for a gift, and yeah, so cute. The last shop is actually this one called the Reject Shop. I've never heard it before, but I just passed by it and think that the thing they sell is really cool. They sell a lot of craft things, so I decided to walk in. And the first thing I saw is this fur rack. It's from the Kensington collection, and the moment I saw it, I know I have to buy because I saw it in IKEA and it cost around $50, and this one, it's 19 bucks. So I just got it into my bucket. Then my dad saw it, he was like, huh? you buy this for what? But it's very good for photo shoot and yeah, for photo shoot because I don't think I'll use it as a rack because I don't want it to be dirty. So as I mentioned before, the store sells a lot of craft stuff, so I picked up these 2 items, actually 3, but I gave one of it to my friend already. And this one is like a postcard cutout. There's many inspirational quotes on it, and I think it will do great as a birthday card, put in a scrapbook, or just a beautiful reminder. And this one is a paper cutout. There's like a lot of flower and some calligraphy words, as you can see here. Then I think it's really very good for scrapbook too, as I love to do books, I love to do cards and DIY stuff. Okay, so that's all for my haul video. I hope you enjoy watching. If you enjoy it, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye. Thank you for watching.